What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I took some time off between around Thanksgiving, Christmas, and now. Happy New Year, even though it's a little late. Too late to say Happy New Year according to Larry David. Curb Your Enthusiasm. But I do have a new ride and review for you today. I am going to a sushi hand roll place. If you've been watching my omakase reviews, you know that oftentimes my favorite part of the meal is the hand roll at the very end. This place is just hand rolls along with some appetizers. There are a bunch of these places popping up around the city now. They're becoming popular. I think the hand rolls are called tamaki is possibly the Japanese word for hand roll. And there's a few, there's like 2 in the East Village or a couple in Midtown. You know, they're scattered around, they're becoming very popular. So I'm definitely interested in trying more of these. This one is called WABI NORI, and it's right over here near me on Essex and Rivington. There's a lot of traffic right now. Congestion pricing is in effect. Doesn't really do much. But, oh, looks like we're getting some flurries right now. I saw that in the forecast. A little bit of flurry. This is Pitt Street. I'm going to take the next left here onto Rivington and cut across to Essex. So yeah, I think this place, they have like set prices. You can get 3 hand rolls, 4 hand rolls, 5 hand rolls, whatever. I think we're doing the 6 hand rolls for like $38, which isn't bad at all. Assuming the quality's good, it's going to be a great buy regardless. I think there's also some happy hour specials, like $10 cocktails and apps. So we'll probably try some of that too. Should be good. This would be my first of hand roll specific restaurants that I am trying. I hope I like it. I want to do more. I have high hopes. I want to like it. Ooh, what's this wet shit on the road here? Somehow there's water all over this street. Let's see, where are we at here? Norfolk. Just passing by Kaki, one of our favorite omakase places. Cake dealer did her birthday bash there. This is Essex. Taking this left here without getting killed by this car. And WABI NORI is right here on the right. I'm going to find a place to lock it up. And let me see. This is it here. This wooden structure. Oh, there's a parking garage right here. Perfect. I will see you on the inside. Cheers. Oh, that's refreshing. Chickens. Wow. Spicy tuna hand roll. All right. This is salmon hand roll. Enjoy. Thank you.
So you got the crab replacement, and I got the, is this one the scallop?
This is base scallop handle. Enjoy.
For now.
Look at my video.
All right, so Wabi Nori. I mean, the quality is not as good as what you get at the end of a nice omakase, but man, shut up. I will say for the price point, it's actually a pretty good deal. So, like I said, $38. You get 6 rolls, and they're pretty good. Their tuna one was probably my favorite. People always love to pull U-turns. The tuna one was probably my favorite, the very first one that came out. Along with really liking the lobster. I did like the lobster. That was the last one that came out. The scallop was okay. One thing I didn't love was the fact that they made the cake dealer double up on a roll instead of allowing her to pick a different roll. She's allergic to scallop. There's like tons of other rolls that we didn't have, like eel, and she could have had the eel roll for the same or less price point, but they would not let her swap. They only asked her to double up. So that was kind of crappy. Let me cross the street here. It's a little crazy. Thank you. All right, it's a little crazy there. Let's see, what else? The starters. So the cocktails were pretty good. $10, not bad. Good cocktails. We did 3 starters. We did the calamari, the fried chicken, and the soft shell crab. I think the best was the chicken and then the soft shell crab right behind it. The calamari was a little bit too overcooked. It was a little hard, but good flavor, good crisp. Nice dipping sauces with it, like mayos, aiolis kind of thing. They were doing some sort of weird Squid Game thing there. I don't know what that was about. They had like a photographer taking photos and video of some of the waiters dressed up in Squid Game costumes. Pretty funny. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'll go back here. There are so many others that I want to try before I, you know, double up on a place. But I gotta say though, like, yes, the quality's better at real deal omakases. Maybe that's the thing with hand roll places, they're just not up to par. But yeah, for the price it was still pretty good. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review, the full write-up, everything. And make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.